Hello, myself Dr. S.S. Chauhan and you are welcome to my YouTube channel Chauhan Maths. Today we will discuss some basic formulae of integration. Formula number 1. d dx of sin x. As we are knowing, derivative of sin x is cos x. And therefore integral of cos x is equal to sin x. Because of this, integral of cos x can be defined and it is sin x plus constant of integration. Number 2, d dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. That negative can be adjusted in left side and we get minus cos x. Derivative of minus cos x is equal to sin x. And because of this, we can define formula of integration as sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus constant of integration. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Because of this, integral can be defined. Integral of sec square x is equal to tan x plus c. Next, d dx of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. That negative can be adjusted in left side and we have derivative of minus cot x is equal to cosec square x. Because of this, integral of cosec square x dx becomes minus cot x plus constant of integration. Derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. That negative can be adjusted in left side and we have d dx of minus cosec x is equal to cosec x into cot x. Because of this, integral of cosec x cot x can be defined as cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus constant of integration. Derivative of sec x, d dx of secant x is equal to sec x into tan x. So integral of sec x tan x can be written immediately. That is sec x tan x. The result for this is sec x plus c. d dx of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x itself. Because of this, integral of e to the power x can be defined as e to the power x plus constant of integration. This is e to the power x plus constant of integration. Observe that d dx of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to x to the power n, and because of this, integral of x to the power n can be written as follows. Integral of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. Derivative of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a. That log a is constant, so it can be adjusted in left side as d dx of a to the power x by log a will turn out to be a to the power x, and because of this, integral of a to the power x can be defined. Integral of a to the power x can be defined as a to the power x upon log a plus constant of integration. This a can be replaced by e also if required. Then comes number 10. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Incidentally, derivative of log of mod x is also 1 by x. Therefore, integral of 1 by x is defined as log of mod x plus constant of integration. These are all basic formulae of integration everyone should remember, and these are helpful in the exams, so one has to remember, there is no other choice. Now for this video we leave up to here. Generalized formulae will be discussed in next video. If you have liked it, then please share this, subscribe to others. You subscribe and share with others. Thank you. Wait for next video.